Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ashwini Priyadarshan. Today's recipe is Gobi Pulav. This is such a tasty and yummy pulav which is easy to cook as it is a one pot cooking recipe. So let's see the process. For this I have marinated the gobi pieces for 20 minutes with salt, turmeric and chili powder, soaked basmati rice, onions, chilies, salt, turmeric powder, jeera powder, biryani masala and dhania powder. Along with this, whole garam spices like bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom, shahi jeera and marathi mogu, ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, coriander leaves and mint leaves. Now in a pressure cooker, I have added some oil and whole garam spices along with onions and chilies. Cook until onions change their color. Now I am adding ginger garlic paste. Cook until the raw smell goes off. Now I am adding tomatoes. I have used one big size tomato. After 2 minutes of cooking, I am adding mint leaves along with the spices. Here I am not adding red chili powder because I have already marinated the gobi pieces along with chili powder. Next I have added cauliflower pieces. You can chop the cauliflower pieces in little bigger size, so once they cook it will be very nice and texture will be good. Now mix it thoroughly and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes just to marinate all the pieces very well with the masalas we have added. Now I am adding soaked basmati rice. Here I have soaked the rice for about 30 minutes. Mix it well now. Here there is a small tip. Instead of adding water before, if we add the rice and just cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes, the texture of the pulav when we are cooking in pressure cooker will be so good. Now I am adding roughly chopped coriander leaves. Mix all together very well. I am cooking this for about 3 minutes in low flame without adding water. Now I am adding water. For 2 cups of rice I am just adding 3 cups of water. So I have used the water which I have used for marination so that even the spice flavor and masala's flavor will be put together without wasting the flavors. Now we have to pressure cook it for 2 whistles in medium flame. Once it is done, release the pressure and that's it. Hot gobi pulav is ready to taste. And this is a very easy and tasty recipe. When you have a busy day, you can just make such recipes and it will be so tasty and worth the time you keep in. You can serve this with onion raita and lemon. That's it. So if you like this video, please press the like button. Do share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to receive the notifications of my videos.